Hey guys, back to another video. Today I'm here with my friend Alice, and today we're going to be showing you guys our slime that we made. And I forgot one slime. Both of us made these two slimes. Well, I made these two slimes. Alice made these two slimes, but we both made that slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that slime real quick, and I'll be right back.
Oopsies.
Okay, so here's the slime. It's a really black slime. First, we're going to be showing you guys the slime that we made just now. Like a month ago. We made this one just now. Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my green slime that I made.
Don't take it out the bag.
I have to. They're for the views. Alrighty. So
But then it's going to be hard to put it back.
I'll take a little bit out.
It's not me.
It's not me either.
It's Diz.
No, it's not. Alrighty, so here's a little bit of the slime. It's a green slime.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. Oh my god, you're like...
So, I'm going to show you my green slime. I'm going to take a little bit.
Mine's just darker than hers because I added green food coloring. She did not.
I put yellow in, and then it made a lighter color. I'm going to put a little teeny bit.
Okay, I'm going to take out a little bit more.
I'm going to take out a little bit.
Okay, guys, so as you can see,
This is how mine looks. Can't really tell by seeing.
mine's just darker. I don't know if they could tell that.
So let's see if I could.
Did they tell that?
Going to take. Why do you put it on my side?
Oh, sorry.
Put it here.
Oh, yeah, perfect. Oh, there's a Lego.
I know there's Legos in here. Julie put it there.
It's not my fault.
Well, you were the one who wanted to. It doesn't matter.
No, I didn't. It's because I mixed the Lego slime.
Oh, yeah. Okay, should we show our next one?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put this up. Wait, where's my bag? Oh. I forgot you put that there.
Now squish it.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna squish it as well. Oh god, it looks bad.
So these are our two slimes.
I made a blue slime.
I
She
made
a
red slime, but it's even prettier than the red one. So let's take out a little bit. I'm gonna take out a lot because.
No, I did not. Okay, here's my blue.
Whoopsies daisies.
Oh, I love this slime. I'm gonna poke it. And I actually packaged these into the containers, into the bags.
Mostly both of us, but I couldn't even do it because it was sticky on my hands.
But I actually did it all.
Wow.
Doing the stuff.
But
Look at that
So
blue
this
slime.
is my pretty red one. It's not that much red. It looks like chocolate cocoa.
Chocolate cocoa. What is that? Chocolate cocoa. Okay, guys, look at my slime. It's like a bluish. Oh,
So I'm going to poke it.
it's called ASMR.
I could make a bubble, but
It's a little. We took out a little, but maybe I could.
maybe I could too.
No, I don't.
I want to. That was a bad idea. So really, right now,
Excuse me.
I'm going to poke it.
I want to do it like this. I'm just gonna do it like that. Let's see if I can poke it. That's not a good idea. Now let's take up all of it.
I'm gonna take out
Yeah.
more.
I know how to do it.
I'm gonna take out a little bit more.
Take out
And
all
a
of
little
it.
bit more. I'm gonna take out a little bit because I don't wanna put everything in the bag.
That comiste barbecue.
Yeah.
You too?
I ate barbecue. You know I did. He didn't eat barbecue.
No barbecue?
Alright, I got it all out, I guess.
There's small barbecue.
Oh, look, guys! I did it!
Yeah, without the cook. Yeah, Alicia. Yeah.
Sí, ella está dormida. Ay, Dios, mi feliz.
Yeah, I already know that.
Le deja un pincho.
Sí, porque tú tienes hambre. guys, so I took out all of my blue slime. It's really nice.
Tengo ganas de comer.
Ajo con gandules.
Ay,
Okay.
I like the slime a lot. That's why I took it all out.
I like this slime, but I didn't take it out.
Look, it has a hair inside.
that's your hair.
Yeah, but
Probably. Probably. What the heck is that?
so should we take out?
Ah! Ah! Wait, first.
I dropped the camera. So we're gonna show you one last. We're both gonna get some. It's not that sticky though.
Because those things are cameras, you know. Wait,
What? Why is it black?
we made it black recently last month. I mean, today.
Oh yeah, this one. No, not today.
Yeah, it was today.
Here you go. More.
Oh, wait, this is like a clear.
This is the one that I think I made.
Oh. Wait, nobody, I think you made this one. I think I made that one.
You hear this noise, guys?
Yo, I made this one. Never mind. Okay, ready? Hear it?
No, I did.
No, because mine is green. Yours was like a red. Remember?
Okay, hear this noise.
It's like a gel. It's like a putty. That's what I made. It's like a putty.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on my hand.
Wait, I want to.
Uno chiquito.
Oh, hear that, guys. Ella quiere una chiquito porque ella no tiene hambre, pero ella tiene un poquito hambre.
Ahí se quedaron 2 pedacitos de chicken. Yeah, that's not yo.
Yo no quiero. Un poquito, pero no mucho.
We're learning how to talk in Spanish.
Yeah. Finally. I've been dying. Like exactly dying. Go on, do that. Be like that. I heard you. She's. Oh my god.
You know what? Stop doing that, I said already.
It's so Alright.
Well, kind of on my hand.
You still have food coloring on you from last month.
Where's the top?
Where is the top? Oh, right there.
Just found it right now.
Look, guys, it's like a really nice.
I don't think. Yeah, you made this one.
Yeah, I had more of the green, so I just put a lot of green inside.
I'm gonna show you the color. You can really see that because it's black. And look inside it. Look when I stretch it.
Yeah, it's green.
It's green. You can't really see that much, but you can see right here. Okay, you know what?
Alrighty.
I'm gonna make a bubble.
You guys see that? It looks clear. And it is clear. It's a clear black.
Well,
Have
inside.
people ever seen a clear black before?
Wow. Ooh.
Okay.
When you
so
make a bubble-
I don't think anybody saw a clear black. I'm not sure.
How?
We're the first one to make a clear black.
Well, when you make a bubble and when it pops, you hear a noise. Look, I'll show you.
It sounds like popping bubbles.
Well, yeah.
Popping bubbles. Like pop,
Wait,
pop, pop,
wait,
pop.
I'm gonna put it. Look. Hold it.
You guys hear that thing? Like,
Minute,
that
Mama.
sounds fab.
Why do you always say that?
Because that's another word that's fabulous. Move the table more this way. Oh my god, what did I do? Did I fall over? Did I hit my ankle? What did I do? Okay, guys, so what was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh yeah, I was gonna do the bubble. I didn't do nothing. Oh, look at that. You guys can hear that. Let's see. Why does this keep on falling the camera?
That's gonna break the tablet.
And she ruined my video.